Del Conca Fast can be laid on any hard, flat and clean surface, both on concrete substrate or on pre-existing flooring. Make sure the laying surface is flat, remove the skirting board and sweep the floor to remove any dirt. Lay a 1 to 2 mm thick acoustic underlayment, being careful to avoid creasing. Lay the first row of tiles, keeping them 5 mm away from the wall. The tiles can be cut using a regular tile cutter or an angle grinder equipped with a diamond disc. Always place the cut side towards the wall. Lay the second row of Del Conca Fast tiles, offsetting them as desired. Place a plastic connector straddling each end of the tile that's being installed, and 2 more in the remaining space, making sure the joint between the tiles already in place falls at the center of a plastic connector. Insert the plastic connectors in the groove on the tiles already in place, starting from one end and pressing with a wooden block. Bring the tile closer. Move it vertically to make sure the plastic connectors are well engaged in the groove. Then join the tiles using a wooden block and a rubber mallet. Make sure the gaps are well closed, both on the long and the short side of the tiles. If any joints are not closing well, check the alignment of the tiles and close the gaps before moving on with the installation. The new floor is 13 mm thick. Use a glue-on sloping profile for a smooth transition to the lower floor. Check the alignment of the tiles every 3 or 4 rows and adjust them before moving on with installation. Tiles in the last row must be cut 5 mm shorter than the space left. The tiles can be cut using a regular tile cutter, an angle grinder equipped with a diamond disc, or you can ask a marble shop. Proceed normally with installation, leaving the cut side towards the wall. To bring the tiles together, gently lever against the wall, or use the special tool. Seal the gap between the tiles and the wall with silicone. Glue on the skirting board, keeping it slightly raised from the floor. To remove the floor, don't pull horizontally, but lever until the tiles disconnect, then gently remove them. To change a damaged tile, break it into small pieces. Clean thoroughly. Cut the plastic connectors. Place some silicone along the sides of the remaining tiles, then insert a new tile. If there are steps going down, glue on the coordinate step. Once the step has been installed, start laying the new Del Conca Fast flooring.